Good morning, guys. So I woke up this morning about a half hour ago, and I have sort of one bar of service that goes in and out, but also we have the visual eye test going on. The river has come up about 2 feet since we were at camp last night. So I don't know if that's coming through, but this is right at where my setup is for my hammock. And I was able to step down basically into dirt and sand before I would hit river, and now I cannot. It is rising quite a bit. So there is also, I was able to get it to come up on my phone. There is a flood warning after 1 o'clock. We know what flood warnings mean. They mean you need to get your tail off the river. So guys are just starting to wake up. I'm going to get with them and we're going to formulate a plan to see what we're going to do. If we're going to get off early or if we're going to bust our tail and finish this whole trip. There is a takeout in about 7-8 miles, I think. So we're going to see what we're going to do. Before I take everything down here, I'll show you what we got going on real quick. I've already taken my hammock down, but I still have my tent. I still have my tarp set up. And I'm right there waterside, so beside me, if we go over this way, we have Anthony here. And he's up. Larry's setup is right there. He's still sleeping. So Anthony will give us a ride. He's at the Long Island takeout, so he will give us a ride to the Brookneal takeout so we can get our cars together. The river's still at a safe level right now, but I don't think it's going to be later on. I'm really worried about flooding tonight, so we don't want to be in the middle of that. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go to Jack and Mitch's setup. So we got Mitch right here, and Jack is over there. But yeah, water's come up quite a bit, so definitely going to be the smart move to work on getting off of this river before it becomes a life-threatening situation. So, you want to complete the trip, but you got to keep safety first. So, with that in mind, 2 guys are still sleeping. I'm going to let them sleep a little while longer. Before we wake them up. So yeah, that's where we are right now. I'm gonna keep you posted, and we'll see where this day goes. Just to give you guys an idea, there is a tiny island within walking distance from here, and yesterday I could pretty much see the ground the entire way over, so I was considering walking over there to that little island to get some good drone coverage yesterday or for this morning. But now I don't think there's any possible way I could safely walk over there. So that little island there, it would have been nothing just to walk. But now it's not safe. So that's just kind of what we're dealing with right now. So everyone's been broken the news. I told Larry to hold on because I wanted to go talk to Mitch first. I didn't want to break the news to him. So I think Anthony did. So I was like, He was like, why, what's going on? I'm like, oh, let me go talk to Mitch. I'll be right back. Oh man, okay. Hey Larry, so you're like, what's going on? And I'm like, let me go talk to Mitch. I'll be right back. I didn't want to break the news to you. I felt bad. Yeah, there was a flood warning issued by Roanoke area, which is what this river is. This is the Staunton River right here, but it's the Roanoke River. So the locals call it the Staunton, but if you ask other people, they may call it the Roanoke. If you look on some mapping, it says it's the Staunton. If you look on other mapping, it says it's the Roanoke. So anyway, that's the river system that we're in, is where that warning is for. So we're going to get cleaned up, maybe eat some breakfast, and hit the water. It's a little burnt. So it's really kind of enough current to where it's really hard to get in right here. I'm sitting in the boat, so kind of wading it down here to where they're going to put in. Larry and Anthony are just about ready to go, but I'm going to go down here and see where Jack and Mitch are at. Looks like Jack's in the water. Looks like Mitch is getting his skirt on, so good. Hey guys, are we ready? All right, so just on the water here, we got right about 8 miles, I think, to the Long Island takeout, which is where we're gonna go to today. Helmet's going in my back. So it's really nice out right now, and we might beat the rains, but it's supposed to be about calm for about 1 inch of rain or so. So that's why we got the flood warning today. Going 5 miles an hour, not paddling. That's pretty good. It's hard to believe so much rain is coming later this afternoon because it's so nice out this morning. Fork in the road. I don't know that it matters. I mean, there's rapids both sides. I'll try right. I have a feeling this side wasn't bad, but I have a feeling their side may have been a little more fun. Looked like the rapids may have gone a little longer. Oh, that looks good. This side wasn't bad. Yeah, we're good. Cool. Hey, we can go over there. Did you see that tunnel underneath the... Yeah, I wish we could have gone there. That was cool. Starting to feel a little bit of winds pick up for the first time in my face.
Whew, good job, everyone. I saw you guys going over the big drop that you couldn't see. And I was like, I'm gonna go where I can see the water bubbling. So we're coming up here on the Long Island access, and where we are going to cut our trip just a little bit short because of the pending weather and flood warning that's in effect this afternoon and evening. So it was a good trip. It is difficult to find campsites in this area, so if this is something you're looking at, just know that. It's a cool kayak camping kind of river because you have pretty decent current, at least at this level, pretty decent current, and then most of the rapids are pretty straightforward. You just gotta, keep your boat straight, paddle through them, you're fine. But it's enough to, have some fun, which is kind of what you look for, what I look for anyway, in kayak camping trips. So yeah, great couple days on the water here. Great to paddle with everyone, and Larry's first time doing a kayak camping trip, so that's pretty cool and pretty exciting. So we'll see if he sticks around for any more. This old house, that's old house. I was gonna take a photo, but I missed it. Or video. I was gonna take a video. Either way, I missed it. Hearing that running water makes me want to keep going. Oh. Oh well, we'll get it next time.
Most of the good stuff is below us, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes, it is. Oh, geez. God, just into a pile of mud. Ah. Oh my gosh. Oh no. I'm laughing, but I'm dreading it.
Oh, good.
Oh my god.
Oh, his shoe came off.
His shoe came off in the mud.
Oh my god.
It doesn't look like it should be that bad.
He's got to dig it back out.
But it clearly is. Dang. Oh man. Can you guys just carry me up there?
Yeah,
you
no.
think? Or... All right, well, it's time. Time to get in the mud.
See if Anthony makes it.
Oh, jeez. Yep. Yep. That is mud. He wasn't lying.
Yeah. Seems to be. Teeny bit. Ah! Nope. Oh my God.
I need a break.
Oh my God. Oh.
Just right up here. It's oh, there.